In my body system, I have an infinity of apps installed. Some of them are already configured by default. Others, I install them because I want, and I think I require them in my body through the mental operating system. The app of biological fear that we've got installed by default is a survival principle of our species. We can also install an advanced version of the fear app, which has nothing to do with the original version, those non-existent fears that occur in the mind, and somebody embedded there. Some of these fears are the fear of making mistakes, to do things perfectly, to postpone, to be alone, to death, to the unemployed, to everything, even the fear of fear amongst others. Fortunately, there is also the courage app, when we face a difficult situation where a choice must be made. We can be the victims of what happens to us, find somebody to blame, and unload our frustration on them. Alternatively, we can face the challenge and focus on finding a solution to the problem. The value app chooses a more productive option, one of the best alternatives to face a problem. When you use it on your body, it makes the fears disappear little by little, and you continue searching and investigating for new solutions, adventures, and ways of living in peace, harmony, and mysticism. The world panorama in different areas, personal, family, organizational, and global, is turbulent. You have the alternative to use the mental courage app that will help you on the next path to travel, to keep yourself competitive and with potential for present and future. And so, you can face your 108 concerns with your 159 fears to defeat in the path of life. Yours is the choice, no one else's.